Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to copy link Instagram profile. We start by entering our Instagram profile. After that, we click on Share Profile. Here we will see different options, and in this case, we click on Copy Link. Finally, once our link is copied, we can share it wherever we want. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.